Mates, in today's video, I'll be explaining you all some investing terms and some day trading terms too. We'll be talking about in this video what is stock market, what is stock exchange, and what is the main word, the stock. What is the meaning of the stock? Okay, so in this video, I'll be telling you about 10 terms, okay, and will be a one bonus term as well in the end. So please keep watching. So first of all, what is stock? You must have listened the word stock, share, equity, stake in a company. This all means one thing, that is owning a part of a company. So guys, consider this pen as a company. Okay, the worth of this company is 10 rupees. You own 20% of this company. That is your stake in the company is 20%, and the worth of this 20% is 2 rupees. Okay, so when the market cap of this company grows to 100 rupees, okay, that means the stake in your company is 20%, but its worth has also grown. So it has grown to from 2 rupees to 20 rupees. You did the profit of 18 rupees in the company. Okay, this is what the stock is, this is what the stake is. Okay, that's how it works. So now the main thing is clear. What is stock? You now understand what is the meaning of stock, share, equity. Okay, now what is stock market? So stock markets are the venue where buyers and sellers meet to exchange equity, shares of public corporation. Means they come there in the market and they exchange the equity, that is share and stock. They buy and sell it. Okay, and according to that, the price of the company stock grows up and down. So now what is stock exchange? So stock exchange is a shop in the market, okay, where you go and buy the stock. For example, in USA it is NYSE, Nasdaq, and in India it is BSE and NSE. These are the shops where you buy the stock. The next thing is bond. What is bond? A bond is actually a contract of loan between two companies or a company and a government. Okay, so many company or government issue a bond because they need to raise a large amount of money. For example, I am an investor and you are a issuer, the company or government who issued the bond. I'll give you a sum of 10 crore, for example, okay, and you'll give me that 10 crore when the maturity date of the bond come, and you will also give me the interest for the time period that you have taken my money. So this is the bond, this is a contract of loan basically. So next term is dividend. So companies pay out a portion of their income to the shareholder, that is you who owns the stock of the company, as a dividend. So this is they pay like an incentives for investing your money in their company. So it is not compulsory for them to give you the dividend, and some companies irregularly pay them, some companies regularly pay them. Okay, and it is also periodically. Some companies pay you monthly a dividend, some pay you a half yearly dividend or a yearly dividend too. Okay, so this term is also clear now. So it is very good to have a dividend company, but it is not compulsory that you need a company with a dividend only. So you must have listened the terms bull market, bear market, bullish, bearish in the movies. So what does that actually mean? So the bull market means when a stock or when a stock whole market is going on a trend, is rising. The price of the stocks are rising. Okay, so one stock is worth 100 rupees or $100, and it is going 2 times, 3 times up. So that happens in the bull market. Okay, and if you think that a stock is going on a trend, it is going to be on trend, the price of the stock is going to be up, so you invest aggressively on it. Okay, so that means that you are being bullish. So next term is bear market. Bear market is just the vice versa of the bull market. In the bull market the price go up, in the bear market the price goes down. Okay, the bear market mostly happens during a recession or when a company crashes or a company goes bankrupt. So next term is volatility. The fluctuation of price of the stock is called volatility. Okay, the degree of change in the price of the stock in either direction, either it's up or down, it doesn't matter, it is volatility. The next term is short selling. Short selling means that there are three persons, XYZ, X being me, Y being you, and Z being some other person. So I borrowed your shares of a company, okay, then I sell it to Z at a high price or the current price. Okay, when the stock price goes down, I buy back my shares and return to you. So that by this I secured my profit. So for example, like there's a stock price of 100 rupees, I borrowed it from you, okay, and I sell it for 110 rupees to the Z. Then when the stock price goes to 90, I buy back my shares and I secured my 20 rupees profit, then I gave back you your shares back. So that means I secured a profit of 20 rupees in this deal. So that's what is how I've done short selling. So the next term is ETF. So as an investor, you can buy and sell shares of an ETF like a stock only. But buying an ETF means it gives you some ownership at a fund of a different assets, not a company. At a stock, it gives you the ownership of a company. Like you bought a stock of a Tesla, so it gives you ownership in that company. But if you bought the stock of an ETF of that ETF that tracks S&P 500, so you get the ownership in the fund that tracks the S&P 500. Means when you buy an ETF which tracks indexes like S&P 500 or in India it's BSE Sensex, then you get the ownership in that fund and the assets its own. It is the time for the bonus sum I told you. So it is NFT, the non-fungible token. So what does it actually mean? So fungible means replaceable. Like US dollar, it is replaceable, it is fungible. You can transfer it to any other currency like INR, pounds, or Bitcoin. But you cannot transfer an NFT to any other currency like your birth certificate. Okay, it is a non-fungible token as well, as you cannot replace it. It is unique to you. And NFT can be anything like an art, audio file, video file. So you have to upload it on the blockchain. So mates, in today's video I told you about some investing in day trading terms and one bonus term, that is NFT. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like my channel, please give it a subscribe too. It really helps. Thank you. Till the time, bye.